Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Swift code on HSBC Bank. First, let's understand what a Swift code is. A Swift code is a special identification code used for international money transfer. When you send or receive money from another country, bank use the Swift code to make sure the money goes to the correct bank and branch. Now let's talk about how you can find the Swift code for HSBC Bank. If you already have a HSBC account, look at your account statement, checkbook or online banking details. Many times the Swift code is printed there. If you already have HSBC account and mobile banking, go to the account detail or international transfer option. You will usually see the Swift code listed there. Open your internet browser and go to the HSBC official website. Select your country because HSBC Swift code can be different for each country. Look for section like contact us, international transfer or bank details. There are reliable websites where you can enter HSBC and your country and they show the correct Swift code. And remember, HSBC may have different Swift code for different branch and country, so always double check before sending money. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.